This is how to solve a feud. First you make a cross. There is no guide, just figure it out, and then you'll be a boss. Now turn the cross upside down so that the cross is on the bottom. Rotate the cube looking for the corners. Then do this when you've got them. Finger up, other finger down. That is the pattern that will turn your life around. Finger up, other finger down. And your corner will be in the bottom with the cross. Now, when I say finger, I mean use your finger like a hook to drag the top face towards you. Then using that very same hand, turn the side face you are holding up. Now use the other finger on the other hand to drag the top face back the way it was. And make your first hand turn the side face back down to its original position. Finger up, other finger down. That is the pattern that will turn your life around. Finger up, other finger down. And your corner will be in the bottom with the cross. The corner you are inserting into the bottom has to be on the front. That means front top corner, or it could mean top front corner. But there's also the front bottom corner, but these three are all there is, except each of the corners could be on the left or on the right of that front face, so that makes 6 states the cube could be in. If your corner is on the right, then start the pattern with your right hand. But if the corner is on the left, then put that boot on the other foot. Finger up, other finger down. That is the pattern that will turn your life around. Finger up, other finger down. There's a secret to solve this puzzle, you know. Listen up, it's time to learn and grow. When you're at the corner, take it slow. Slide it down, make the stable glow. Ooh yeah! Check the colors, don't make a mistake.